The 1979 Ford Landau is a quintessential example of late 1970s American luxury and style. As part of Ford's Landau series, this model represents a blend of classic design, comfort, and performance that appeals to classic car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Design and styling. The 1979 Landau features a distinctive American luxury car design with a long, sleek body, chrome accents, and a prominent front grille. Its wide stance and smooth lines reflect the era's penchant for bold, imposing vehicles. Inside, the Landau offers a spacious and plush cabin with high-quality materials. The interior design includes luxurious seating with rich upholstery, a classic dashboard layout, and advanced, for its time, features like air conditioning and a premium sound system. Available in various color options, including classic hues like dark green, deep burgundy, and metallic silver, the Landau's exterior paint choices further enhance its elegance. Performance and specifications. The 1979 Ford Landau is equipped with a range of engine options, including a V8 engine, which provides ample power and smooth acceleration. Engine displacement options varied, but the 351 cubic inch, 5.8-liter V8 was a common choice. It comes with a 3-speed automatic transmission, which ensures a smooth driving experience and effortless gear changes. The Landau features a front independent suspension and rear leaf spring setup, designed to offer a comfortable and stable ride. Its handling characteristics are oriented more toward comfort than sporty performance. Historical significance. The 1979 Ford Landau was introduced during a period when American car manufacturers were transitioning to more fuel-efficient designs due to rising fuel prices. The Landau, however, retained many of the traditional luxury features that defined American cars of the 1970s. The Landau's design and features were well received, making it a symbol of luxury and comfort in the late 1970s. Its presence on the road was a testament to Ford's commitment to maintaining high standards of American automotive craftsmanship. Restoration and collectability. Restoring a 1979 Ford Landau can be a rewarding project for car enthusiasts. Common restoration tasks include refurbishing the interior, updating the engine, and addressing any rust or bodywork issues. As a classic car, the Landau has garnered interest from collectors who appreciate its design and historical value. Well-maintained or fully restored models can command a premium price in the classic car market. Driving experience. The Landau provides a comfortable and smooth driving experience, with a focus on luxury rather than performance. The spacious interior and cushioned ride make it an enjoyable car for long drives. While not designed for high performance, the Landau's engine delivers adequate power for everyday driving, and its automatic transmission offers ease of use. Conclusion. The 1979 Ford Landau stands as a significant piece of automotive history, representing a blend of classic American luxury and style. Its design, comfort, and historical context make it a valued collector's item and a cherished example of late 1970s automotive engineering.